Now the mean and variance of 8 observations are 9 and 9.25. If 6 observations are 6, 7, 10, 12, 12 and 13, we have to find the remaining 2 observations. Okay, now total observations are how much? 8. Let the 2 observations remaining observations be X and Y. First thing. Now mean is given 9. No. Given mean is equal to 9 and n is equal to 8. Now what we can write it here? Observations are 6, 7, 10 and these things. Okay, let me write it this also. And the observations are 6, 7, 10, 12, 12 and 30. These are the observations. Now x mean is equal to 1 by 8, 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 12 plus 12 plus 13 plus x plus y. Okay. What is mean? First of all, let us write n here. Now 9 is equal to 1 by 8 with now adding all these three, it is 60 plus x plus y. 60 plus x plus y is equal to 72. X plus y is equal to 12. Equation 1. First thing. Now given variance is 9.25. This is given. Now variance is equal to 1 upon n and I is equal to 1 xi minus x mean. Sorry. Now remember one thing, you can even go for variance is equal to 1 upon n summation for xi square minus x mean square. I have used this formula, even you can use this formula. But when you can just do this, you can just compare which is more easy. When you are going to use this formula, your question will become a little bit complicated, a little bit lengthy. Calculation part will be tough. So I recommend you to use this one. Okay? So we are not using this one. Now here 9.25 is equal to, now we are having n as 8, so we can write it 1 upon 8 with mean is given 9. So first observation is 6, 6 minus 9 whole square plus 7 minus 9 whole square plus 10 minus 9 whole square, 12 minus 9 whole square, 12 minus 9 whole square plus 13 minus 9 whole square plus x minus 9 whole square plus y minus 9 whole square. Okay. Now solving this part, Now you have to solve this one. Okay, 6 minus 9, it is 3, negative of 3, but square will be 9, 4, 1, again 9, 9 and 6. Okay, so what we are getting on solving we will be having this one as x square plus y square minus 18 x plus y is equal to negative of 136. Okay, now x square plus y square negative of 18 with 12 is equal to negative of 136 using equation 1. Now in place of x plus y I have put here 12. Okay, so what we are getting now, we will be having x square plus y square is equal to 8. Okay, so let this be equation number 2. Now we are having first equation this one, second equation this one. Now squaring equation 1, we get x square plus y square, we are having x plus y, okay, plus 2xy is equal to square of 12, that is 144. Now x square plus y square is equal to 80. Now now using x square plus y square is equal to 80, we get, now let's put 80 here. So 80 plus 2xy. No. 80 plus 2xy is equal to 144 or 2xy is equal to 64. Let this be equation number 3. So we are having 3 equations, first, second and third. Now what we can do is, just look, it is given 2xy is 64, here x square plus y square is equal to 80. So just to simplify in a systematic way, in a easy way, so what I can write, I am doing here now, just look at subtracting 3 from 2. Subtracting 3 from 2. Now 2 is what? X square plus y square. So can I write here x square plus y square minus 2xy is equal to 80 minus 60. Okay. So now this becomes x minus y whole square is equal to 16 or x minus y is equal to plus minus 4. Okay. Now, now we can write it x minus y is equal to negative of 4, equation 4, and x minus y is equal to 4, let it be equation number 5. Okay, simple question in a systematic manner. Okay, now solving equation 1 and equation 4. Now you have to solve x plus y is 12 and x minus y is negative of 4. Solving equation 1 and equation 4, we get x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 8. Okay. Solving equation 1 and equation 5, we are getting x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 4. So we are having now answers. this one and this one. These are the answers for the two values x and y.